Have you ever felt like your breath could help you find balance and peace? This new year, let's start with a simple breathing technique that's not only easy to do, but also deeply transformative. In just minutes a day, you can reduce stress, feel more connected, and set the tone for the year of self-care and spiritual peace. Breath is life. The first thing we do when we were born, and the last thing we do before we leave this earth. It connects us to present moment, to our bodies, and to God. This year, I invite you to set an intention for your self-care, a simple daily practice that can bring peace, balance, and connection. Today, we will explore how simple breathing technique 4-4-6 can transform your days and deepen your faith. It's a practice that's easy to start, and it's a beautiful way to take care of yourself each day. Breathing is something we do without thinking, yet it is one of the most powerful tools we have. How we breathe directly affects how we feel, both physically and emotionally. When we are stressed, our breath becomes shallow and we feel disconnected from ourselves. But when we breathe deeply and intentionally, we signal to our bodies that it's time to relax. Deep breathing helps calm the mind, relax the body, and reset our nervous system. This year, as we focus on self-care, I want you to remember that your breath is always with you. It's a reminder of God's presence and a simple way to find peace in every moment. Let's talk about 4-4-6 breathing technique. It is a simple pattern that can bring calm and balance to your life. Here's how it works. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath gently for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. The longer exhale is important because it activates your relaxation response. It's like pressing a reset button for your mind and body. I encourage you to make this daily practice this year. Just a few minutes a day can make a huge difference. It's an easy, accessible way to take care of yourself and connect with your faith. Let's try this together. Ready? 4-4-6. Close your eye. Inhale. One more time. Inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it for 4. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. Hold it. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. You got it. Notice how your body feels now. You're just giving yourself a moment of peace and a moment of self-care. Breath is a gift from God. In Genesis it said, "The Lord God formed man from the dust of the ground and breathed into his nostril the breath of life." Our breath is not just a physical, it is a spiritual connection to the Creator. As you practice this simple breathing technique, think of it as a form of prayer. With every inhale, invite God's peace into your heart. With every exhale, release any worries or burdens you have been carrying. This new year, make a commitment to yourself to breathe deeply, to practice self-care, and to nurture your connection with God. Just 5 minutes a day of 4-4-6 breathing can help you reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus and clarity, feel more balanced and grounded, deepen your connection with God and your faith. Remember, this is a simple practice that anyone can start, no matter where you are in life. It is about taking small steps every day to care for yourself and align your heart with God's peace. You don't have to do it perfectly. Just take a few minutes each day to breathe, reflect, and connect. Start today. Let your breath guide you to the year of peace, balance, and faith. Thank you for joining me today. This simple practice had no side effects, just calm, clarity, and connection. Hear the beauty of it. Slow, deep breaths can transform how you feel. Start small, even a few moments a day can make a difference. And remember, when you learn to control your breathing, you also learning to control your stress. Let's close with a few affirmations to carry with you. With every breath, I find calm and balance. I start small, and with each practice, I grow stronger. My breath is my anchor. It grounds me in peace. When I control my breathing, I control my stress. As you begin this practice, go at your own pace. It is okay to start small and build up over time. What matters is showing up for yourself one breath at a time. If this video inspired you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need more peace in their life. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple self-care practice and ways to live intentionally this year. As we close, remember, each breath we take is a gift, a reminder of God's grace and the light you have been given. May this year be the one of peace, purpose, and a deep connection. Until next time, take care of yourself and keep breathing with intentional.